teacher.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you, and you?
I'm fine too. What's your name?
My name is Hannah.
And how old are you?
I'm 9 years old.
How many people are there in your family?
There are 4 people.
Who are they?
There are mother, father, brother, and me.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Now let's go to the movie. Movie day.
Movie day. My name is Stephanie. My friends and I go to school the movie theater on Saturdays. It's between the library and the park. We like watching movies. We eat popcorn too. It's fun.
Alright, what's the name of the girl in the passage?
Her name is Stephanie.
Where do they go on Saturdays?
They go to the movie theater on Saturdays.
Where is the movie theater?
It's between the library and the park.
What do they eat?
They eat popcorn.
Now, here. What does Anne want?
And wants some gum.
What does Mike want?
Mine wants some popcorn.
What about Emma and Danny? What do they want?
Emma and Danny want some pillows.
And lastly, Julie.
Julie wants some potato chips.
Now let's go to the vegetable market. What do they need? Two.
They need tomatoes.
How many tomatoes do they need?
They need 8 tomatoes.
One.
They need carrots.
How many carrots do they need?
They need 6 carrots.
Now let's go to places. Identify the following places. 3.
This is a department store.
4.
This is a movie theater.
6.
This is a park.
1.
This is a supermarket.
And 2.
This is a post office.
Now here to tell us what they are doing. The places and where they are. 2.
Danny and his mom are at the supermarket.
What are they doing at the supermarket?
They are buying groceries at the supermarket.
1.
Mike is wearing nettle at the post office.
3.
Leo is at the library.
What's he doing at the library?
He is borrowing books at the library.
Ella, what do you want to make?
I want to make smoothie.
What do you need?
I need some bananas and some yogurt.
What do you want to make?
I want to make fruit salad.
What do you need?
I need some oranges and peaches.
Now places. Where is he? He is at there. She is at there. 2.
She's at the hotel.
5.
She's at the pool.
3.
She's in the park.
6.
He's at the aquarium.
Now here, across from between 1A,
The park is across from the movie theater.
2B, 2B,
The movie theater is between the park and the library.
3A,
The supermarket is across from the department store.
5B,
The supermarket is between the is between the post office and the department store.
Now let's do this. Also, there are places. Number 1A.
He is shopping at the department store.
2B.
They are buying groceries at the supermarket.
3A.
He is borrowing books at the library.
4E.
They are kicking a ball at the park.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.